Today we're going to talk about strategies you can use to negotiate on your prepayment penalty terms for a DSCR loan. Now, typically with a DSCR loan, most people are going to come out of the gate with a 5-year, 5% prepayment penalty. That means if you were to refinance or sell that home within the first 5 years, that you'd be subject to a 5% penalty on the balance of the mortgage that's owed. Now, in this market, there's a growing sentiment that there is going to be a refinance event anywhere as early as 6 months out, as much as 18 months out. But all signs are pointing towards some type of rate reduction in that future. So if you're going to use a DSCR loan or any loan with a prepayment penalty today, you want to be very aware of that and structure it in a way that allows you an exit strategy somewhere between 6 and 24 months down the road, right? So rather than the traditional 5-year, 5% fixed prepayment penalty, you want to ask about a step-down option. Now, a step-down option works that in year 1, the penalty is going to be 5%. In year 2, the penalty is going to be 4%. In year 3, it's going to be 3%. And then so on and so forth till you're no longer in the prepayment penalty. Now, what I like about that is, let's say you're going in to purchase a property. The housing market's softening right now, you have more negotiating power, you're going to ask for a 3% seller credit, right? And you're going to use that 3% seller credit to help pay for things like title, closing, escrow, lender, appraisal fees. And you're going to structure your loan with a step-down prepayment penalty, and you're going to use those seller concessions to buy it down. I suggest starting, at a 3-year, and that's going to cost you about 1 point, right? So you're going to use some of that seller credit to pay that 1 point cost to take your prepayment penalty from 5 years to 3 years, and then you're going to do a step-down option. So that way, as you're going through into that 6 to 18 months down the road, you can refinance with the least amount of penalty, or use all of the seller credit to buy it out completely. That is something that is certainly on the table right now. I think if you can, again, negotiate seller credit, you want to use the seller credit to buy out that prepayment penalty altogether.